Hey guys, Kim Flores. Just wanted to pop in, do a little quick video. Some of my messages that I'm getting lately is there's quite a few people that are looking to make money online, but just don't really know where to start. I've got two or three, actually probably four different ideas for you. Um, Aside from other things that you may be seeing on your own news feed. Um, if you can't picture yourself doing it, then it's that would be a hard thing to get over, right? So you want to make it easy, you want to make it something that you can actually fit into, correct? So anyway, well, let's get right into it. If you're looking to making money online, it can be exciting. It can also be challenging. I think that's where a lot of people quit, is the challenging part. But the challenge is what makes you stronger, so that you can see your way through the rubble field, right? So just keep on doing it. If something is looking like you're making a little bit of headway, just keep going at it. But it's certainly possible, okay? I'm going to go over some of the most popular ones that a little bit of research I did, and effective ways that you can make money online. The first one is probably affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? It's basically what you're doing is you're becoming an hello, I can't even talk today. An advertiser or promoter of somebody else's products or services without you actually having the product or service, in your own warehouse, basically. You're just taking their product, and you get, by promoting it, you're getting a little bit of a kickback, basically, whenever that product sells from your efforts, right? So that's a commission that you would get. You would need to find a product or service or whatever that would that jives with what you can see yourself into, like I was saying before. If it looks like it's something that just makes money, and you're not really suited for it, it's not going to work for you. That's my 2 cents, right? So you can do this. You can do a little bit of research of affiliate programs. ClickBank is pretty good for that. There's Warrior Plus. There's other avenues also that that have an affiliate side to them, where you don't have to be a full-blown member, right? So, but then there's also freelancing. What are you good at? What are your strengths and whatnot? You could offer that as coaching, or I had a thought I was going with, and I don't think it's going to fit in this context. But anyway, certain services or whatever that maybe you could do a ghostwriting kind of thing, where you write articles and add copy and whatever for others. If you like to make things, on the internet, pictures and whatnot, media, you can do that. That's probably a little more out there, but at least you're working in the background, and you're not really, in the forefront pretty much, but you're using the skills that you have, right? So also there's also selling goods that either you make yourself, goods or products, whatever, it's coming up springtime now. Summer is going to be here, not too long. And farmers markets are really a place for people to sell the goods that they raise, plants, vegetables, animals, or, animals, meat, honey that they've produced. That's just a farmer's market, just to give you an idea. You do a little digging yourself, little research, this respect. Google is probably your best friend as far as that goes, But what if you are also part of a network marketing company. The goods that that company has, you could be selling those as well. And every sale that you make, you would get a commission piece off of that, right? So there's that. MLM has really gotten a bad rap from a lot of people. And if you heard it from Aunt Josie or whatever, or Uncle Uncle Charlie that says, oh, that's just a scam, it's a pyramid scheme, and it's like, what? Unless they've actually done it, don't take their word for it, because everybody's different. You might have a strength there, whereas they didn't. And the challenging part, like I was saying before, if you're hit with a challenge, it means that you just need to find your way through the cracks in the rock, right? And once you find your way through the cracks in the rock, it's wide open on the other side, right? So you just need to find out for yourself. So, but goods are a good thing to sell. You can, like drop shipping also is a good thing, where you can take somebody's products and, like for instance, Amazon. All right, if you find an Amazon product that you can advertise whatever for a fee that's just a little bit more, I think 15 to 20%, depends on the ratio that you want to get. If you can advertise that to sell that product, that's drop shipping, and then you would actually have the customer pay you for that product. You would take the proceeds of that, buy that product, and have it shipped to their house rather than your own. So, I mean, there's courses on that too. It's like I said, Google would be your best friend here. Tutoring or coaching is also a good thing. If that's your skill set, maybe you're good at explaining things, showing people how to do things, guitar lessons, whatnot. I mean, sky's the limit here. What are you good at that you could help somebody else with, that they would actually want to pay you for, Anyway, but, in summary, basically, as you can see, there's lots of ways to make money online. All right. There's lots of ways. And if you're willing to put in the work, you can be successful at making this money online, and even, build a full-time business, and it'll pay you pretty good. It's just a matter of getting out there and doing it. Just don't let fear rule you. Says, oh, I could never do that. Just like, try it and see. You may be surprised at your own self. All right, guys. Hey, this is Kim Flores, and I will talk to you later. Maybe. Oh, before you go, hey, I wanted to let you know, I almost forgot about this. I want to give you the Think and Grow Rich. It's a PDF download. I want to you gift that to you. If you want it, just go ahead and drop a message below this video, and I'll get that to you. Just let me know. All right, it's no charge. Just wanted to offer that to you. All righty, thank you. Talk to you later. Bye bye.